What if the future of rockets isn't built, but printed? A company that wants to 3D print entire rockets and one day print them on Mars. This is Relativity Space. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most ambitious space startups in the world. A company that wants to 3D print rockets. A company that wants to build rockets faster than anyone else. And a company that wants to compete with SpaceX in the future. This is the story of Relativity Space. Relativity Space was founded in 2015 by Tim Ellis and Jordan New. Their idea was simple but bold. What if you could build an entire rocket using 3D printing? Not small parts, not just engines, but almost the whole rocket. Their long-term goal is even bigger. They want to build rockets on Mars. Yes, on Mars. The idea is this. If humanity wants to become multi-planetary, we cannot ship everything from Earth forever. We must learn how to manufacture rockets on other planets. And 3D printing could make that possible. At the center of Relativity Space is a giant 3D printer called Stargate. It is one of the largest metal 3D printers in the world. Instead of thousands of parts, they print large rocket structures in one piece. Traditional rockets have over 100,000 parts. Relativity wants to reduce that to only a few thousand. Fewer parts means faster production, lower cost, less complexity. Their first engine was called Aeon 1. It used liquid methane and liquid oxygen. Methane is important because it can be produced on Mars. This shows again, Mars is always part of their long-term vision. Their first rocket was called Terran R. It launched in March 2023 from Cape Canaveral. The mission was historic. It was the first mostly free-printed rocket ever to reach space. The rocket did not reach orbit. The second stage failed. But the mission proved something very important. A 3D printed rocket can survive max Q. It can survive the extreme forces of the launch. For a first attempt, this was a strong technical success. After that launch, Relativity made a bold decision. They stopped developing Terran R. Instead, they focused completely on a much bigger rocket, Terran R. Terran R is designed to be reusable. It will compete directly with Falcon 9 from SpaceX. It will use methane, it will land and fly again. This was a big strategic shift. They decided not to stay small. They wanted to play in the big league. Relativity raised more than $1 billion from investors. For a while, the company was valued at over $4 billion. But building rockets is hard. Very hard. The space industry is capital intensive. After Terran R, the company had to restructure. There were reports of layoffs, some projects were delayed. This shows something important. Vision alone is not enough. Execution is everything. Relativity Space operates in a very competitive environment. Their biggest competitor is clearly SpaceX. But also companies like Rocket Lab, Blue Origin, all of them are pushing reusable rockets. All of them want to lower launch costs. Relativity's advantage is automation. If 3D printing works at scale, production could be much faster. So what is Relativity Space really? A revolution, a risky experiment, or the future of rocket manufacturing? If Terran R succeeds, it could change how rockets are built forever. If it fails, it will still have proven something very important. That new ideas are possible in spaceflight. And in a new space era, speed of innovation matters. Relativity Space is still young. They have big dreams. They want to build rockets on Earth and one day on Mars. The next few years will decide everything. Will 3D printing become the standard for rockets, or will traditional manufacturing remain dominant? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you enjoy deep dives into the new space economy, SpaceX and the future of humanity in space, make sure to like and subscribe. In the next video, we will talk about another cool startup in the new space economy, Astrobotics. See you soon. Ciao.